match. So first I will solve this question, get the science marks for roll number 104 using VLOOKUP and match. So lookup value is 104, then table array. I didn't select a column, I just only select the rows. Yeah, then column index number means in this I will use match function. Lookup value is science because I have to find the marks, science marks. Then lookup array. Now I will use all this column. So you can see in VLOOKUP I just use arrays. Then I want exact count match. Here also exact match. Yeah, so for roll number 104, science marks is 89. The other question is create a drop down for subject name and get marks for roll number 102 using it. So I will create in this cell a drop down. I will go to list, subject name is this. Yeah, so create a drop down for subject name and get marks for roll number 102 using it. So whatever I select here for the subject, whatever subject I select here, the mark should be shown in this cell for the roll number 102. So first I will go to VLOOKUP, then lookup value is 102. Table is whole table. Now I'm selecting, then match. Now the column index is here, this means M6, then array. Yeah, so 85 means for 102 history. It's not 85 history marks. Yeah, again I just have to select only the rows here. All the columns from here. Yeah, now it's done. So for 102 the English marks is 89. If I select science then marks should be shown 85. Yeah, 85. Then max marks is 90. Yeah, then history is 84. Yeah, so basically I have to use rows in the VLOOKUP and in match only columns. So the third question is get the marks for a selected student by name and subject using two drop down. Okay, so I have to make two drop down list like this. First will be for the student's name, so data list name. So here are the name of the students, then subject, Math, science, English, history, the subject. Yeah. So for example, if I select maths and student name is Arav Mehta, then marks should be shown 85. Something like that I have to do. So I will go we look up value, then array. Now I don't need a roll number, so I didn't add this in a table array. Then column index num means match, lookup value, then array means I want exact count and exact match. Yeah, so 85. So so you can see Aro Mehta and max marks 85. If I want to know Mera Patel's marks for science, which is 85. So I just select here Mera Patel and marks science means 89. Yeah, so 89 here.